Your shadow side is the cause of many problems you've experienced in your life. It causes problems with relationships, work, and personal issues. The way to fully heal is not to avoid it, but to conquer it. I'll show you how. Namaste, Sacred Masters. I'm Dr. Aiwas Ukehi, Certified Shadowwork NLP Manifestation Coach, where in this channel I teach you not only how to increase your manifesting powers, but master it by taking back control of your dark side. Today, we're going to be talking about why it's important to heal your shadow side and how to do it. I have used this technique in many of my shadow work. This technique is called the Ho'oponopono. It is a Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. You see, your shadow side will always live within you. There is no way to destroy the dark as there is to destroy the light. It will always remain in you. But what you can do is learn to forgive and heal your dark side, thus taking control of it. For many people, the idea of having a dark side may sound scary, but what's even more scary is that they don't want to acknowledge it. This is why your negative feelings are suppressed for so long that eventually it all spills out like an overfilled garbage truck. Some even choose to act out in dark and unhealthy ways, which hurts the people around them and ruin relationships. If you practice manifesting, your shadow part is the part of you that blocks out all your manifesting desires. In fact, a lot of clients don't realize that suppressing it by trying to stay happy and positive has the exact opposite effect they think it is having. Your subconscious works 95% of your manifesting powers. Imagine how much is at work when you're suppressing all your negative emotions. That's why sometimes people want to manifest money or love, and then end up manifesting poverty and heartbreak instead. Ho'oponopono is the act of bringing your shadow side to the surface, healing it with love, and changing the energy around it. When it returns back to your subconscious, you are working and manifesting from a place of love instead of darkness. Or should I say, forgotten darkness. But let's talk more about Ho'oponopono before I show you how to use it. Ho'oponopono. Ho means cause, while ponopono means perfection. Ho'oponopono is defined in the Hawaiian dictionary as to put to rights, to put in order, or shadow, correct, revise, adjust, amend, regulate, arrange, rectify, tidy up, make orderly or neat, administer, superintend, supervise, manage, edit, work carefully or neatly, to make ready, as canoemen preparing to catch a wave. Ho'oponopono is described as mental cleansing, a family conference in which relationships were set right through prayers, discussion, confession, repentance, and mutual restitution and forgiveness. Ho'oponopono begins with prayer, a statement of the problem that was made aware of. How do you know what problem it is? How do you know what do you want to work with? Well, some of you might already know what you want to heal. For others who are wondering what shadow side is lurking in the depths of their soul and their energy but don't know what it is, one might actually need to be aware of your inner self. Your emotions are your guide in life. Look to see when someone, whether a friend, spouse, boss, or even a fictional character, does something that makes you have a negative emotion, like anger, irritation, jealous, envy, to name a few. Their actions is actually just a mirror of something you need to heal. For example, you get angry when your spouse does not do the dishes. What are you saying about his action? He is so lazy, he is so selfish. What you just identified is that the reason for your anger is that you will likely find that when you look deep down inside, you will find a part of you that has a tendency to be selfish and lazy, burdening you inside that you have forgotten or not aware of. Now you know what you need to heal. By going into those feelings, which I have described in some of my meditation videos you can find on my channel, you are able to acknowledge and accept your shadow side. Now what you want to do is chant the Ho'oponopono prayer over and over again to cleanse these dark shadows and negative traits of yourself. By chanting over and over again, it is deeply resonant and penetrates into our inner monologue over time. This prayer is, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. When you recite this phrase, try to really feel as though you mean it. This is self-love that also develops self-esteem when we need it the most. Think of it as a lullaby to yourself. You can also use this phrase on others, especially those who are very near you, because their energy levels do affect you as well. Remember, your shadow side will always be there. So forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting, but it does require both attention and intention. If you do it correctly, you will feel a sense of freedom within yourself, like a giant weight lifted from your body. If you don't feel it, it's okay. You don't have to rush it. Take your time. You can pause between the phrases to let it resonate inside of you before chanting it again. Make sure you direct your voice, the vibration that you feel in the throat, and visualize it vibrating in your heart, downwards, or wherever you feel this negative trait lives. Usually if you close your eyes, you can pinpoint an exact location in your body that you feel heavy from bringing this shadow side out into your life. Without forgiveness, our energies are stuck in one place. We manifest the same things over and over again and live life in that same despair over and over again. No matter how many positive reaffirmations you do, no matter how many times you tell yourself how amazing you feel, your manifestations will always be stuck until you can free your shadow side. Because when you use Ho'oponopono, you're purifying the body and freeing your shadow side within that holds your energy in a negative tune. Remember, we are all vibration. As we go down from cells to atoms to protons, neutrons, electrons, they are all just vibrating at different frequencies. Ho'oponopono's vibration is one of healing and love, and can be used to change the vibration makeup of your shadow traits and yourself. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell, where I will share more ancient practices to help with your shadow work, as well as some tips on manifesting. It is a journey we all take together. I want to thank you, and namaste.